What's up everyone, Daniel here. It's week 40 of the year. That's 40 weeks. Like, people grow humans in their bellies for that long. So 40 weeks of beard growing. The end of May will be month 10, end of June will be month 11, and the end of July will be the end of the year. There'll be 12 months of beard growing without any trims to the length. I had a little bit off here the other day because these bits of hair, I just had some like wild bits up here and it just wasn't letting the hair blend into the beard. But I mean, look at that crazy length. Let's just zoom in a bit here. Like, look at this. Look at some of these hairs. I think I found some crazy long ones in there the other day. I mean, there's some really strong length. And a lot of that's coming from the neck beard, which kind of brings me on today's video about whether or not you should be trimming the neck beard when you're going for, I mean, I know a lot of people will say you shouldn't be trimming the beard anyway if you're going for a year, but that's only the purest one. Kind of like what I'm doing. I'm pretty much doing a purist yeared at present. But for so many of you, you're going to want to trim that neck beard. I mean, I can't even see the neck beard too much here, but it's got some crazy length. That's a good part of my neck beard there. You can see the length. And for me, the answer is no, you shouldn't trim the neck beard whatsoever. The neck beard is everything. Let's talk about that a little bit more. I just need to go and cut the grass first. And then, yeah, we'll talk about it. One job down, can chill out a little bit more. We're still in the house at the moment, so everything needs to be in good order. Everything needs to look pretty good, otherwise we're not going to be able to sell the house. So we're talking about why you probably shouldn't trim the neck beard, and for me the neck beard, it's just so vital to having a decent beard overall. Sorry, I'm just like butchering putting this camera down here. So yeah, neck beard adds so much volume, so much weight, so much shape to the beard. I mean, it's quite incredible what it does for you. So my best advice is just to let it grow out. If you're committed to growing a long beard, the one thing you need to do is just let the beard grow. I'm kind of thinking I want to get this beard down to sort of my belly button. That's kind of like the optimal sort of area I want it to grow, but I want it to grow full and thick. I've been quite fortunate so far throughout the year that it's pretty thick, and that's all because of the neck beard. The neck beard, if I didn't have all of this, let's zoom in here. If I didn't have all of that, and probably a bit more here, this would be my beard. That would be my beard. Just that bit there. That's all I would have, and it would be spacious and everything else. But if I work the neck beard back in, give it some good weight, I get a lot more shape straight away. And for me, that's everything when you're trying to grow a really long, full, thick, great beard. It gives you a lot of options, having a strong neck beard. It allows the beard to grow very well. Anyway, I think that was it for today. It's, like I said, week 40 of the year. Things are going well. We've got 12 weeks left, 3 months left, and then I think we'll probably just keep going on. I'll get the tidy up, have it a little bit of a trim, especially on the old mustache, just so that they're a little bit more even, so I can start styling them a bit more, take a bit of weight out here, and we're good. Anyway, I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.